Hey, Steve.
Hey.
Hey, man, you and your girlfriend, you know.
What? What?
I don't know what's wrong with it. I drive it and then it starts going traca, 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 traca.
Wait, is it like a traca, 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 or is it like a chicky, chicky, chicky?
Yes, we're just sitting on the couch watching Netflix. And I'm like, dude, it's your turn. You go get the nachos. And then when he gets up, he just goes,
Ew.
yeah.
How far away is it? Dang.
Pretty far. Mm-hmm.
So are we gonna tonight?
Ronaldo, stop caring about your looks and play the game.